Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix invalid zip code on Venmo. To add a card on your Venmo account from a computer, go to your payment methods, then follow these steps. Click Add Bank or Card. Select Debit or Credit, then add your card information. If you are on the Venmo app, follow these steps to add your card. Go to the Me tab by tapping your picture or initials. Go to the Wallet section. Tap Add Bank or Card and then tap Card. Add your card information manually or with your phone's camera. Payments funded by credit cards are subject to our standard 39% fee. However, making purchases from authorized merchants does not incur a Venmo transaction fee, even if you use a credit card. Some credit card providers also charge cash advance fees, in addition to other possible cash advance service fees, including a higher APR, if you use your credit card to make payments to friends on Venmo. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.